my comms, or my audio lead had come out. So that's not really a very good start, is it? Look at this lovely day. It looks so beautiful and foggy. Now it is going to clear. You can actually see it clearing now since I looked out the window this morning. So we are heading down again to Clay Cross to MyMoto. Remember we did one, met up with Richard Video. It's the same sort of thing again today, but this time we're going on a ride from Clay Cross MyMoto over to the YonderMann Cafe, where we're going to meet up with Bill. Will's coming with me this morning. We're going to just head off down the motorway, so I'm actually going to go and pick him up. I've just stopped because my comms, or my audio lead had come out. So that's not really a very good start, is it? So we're going down to pick Will up, and then we're going to head straight down on the motorway, get some fuel, and then straight there. So you're not going to see much down there. We're going to turn you off. But just to give you some form of intro on what we're doing today, when we get to the YonderMann, we're going to then pick up with Bill, who's going to meet us there with bacon butties, because when 30 or so bikes turn up, it's going to get busy. So he's going to get the bacon butties in for us. He's going to get there a little bit before we do, hopefully. We'll see what happens. So I'll see you in a bit. Speak to you when we get down to MyMoto. Can you hear me, mate?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Bit of a roar. Wow, look at this lot. Just let these go here. Let him go, mate, and then we'll go. Okay. Feel like you're in Sons of Anarchy, mate. I can't even hear you, Will. I can't even hear you. No. I can't hear you at all. Can you hear me? I can't hear nothing. I can't hear you. Can't hear nothing, mate. I've got issues with the comms for some reason, but don't know what's going off, so just turn it off for a little minute, see what happens. But yeah, we're on the MyMoto ride, and there's about there's got to be 50 bikes, got to be. I've got Richard Vida at the front, got Billy at the back. I think Billy's got a YouTube channel. I think it's called Billy, I don't know if it's Billy Rise or something. I am subscribed, I can't remember. Apologies, Billy. So he's on a big GS adventure as well at the back, and they're doing the drop off, and we're just heading over to YonderMann. I think there's a photo opportunity as well on the way where we're going to stop, and then I think there's going to be masses of bikes at the YonderMann, and us mate Bill is meeting us up there, and he's gonna wait up there for us, and then we're going to head over to Matlock. Beautiful day as well, lovely day. Can you hear me, Will?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, that's better. I can hear you now.
Yeah, I think I muted it somehow.
Oh right, is that what it was?
Yeah, it's that new feature that's on it.
Ah, that makes sense. Yeah, I know. I'm glad you're back on, mate. You still behind that car?
Yeah, just waiting for these bends.
Yeah, this car's coming down anyway, mate, so don't worry, mate, you won't get lost, because there'll be somebody on the bend.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you anyway where we're going. At least I can hear you, that's the main thing.
Yeah. I hope no one thinks I'm the GS.
Mine's quite a lot behind us, isn't there?
Yeah.
It'd be nice if we got to the YonderMann and we were like the first ones, you know, we were first in queue.
Yeah. It's not going to happen if they sit together, fuckers.
I know, why are they sitting together?
No, they're together, aren't they? So
Oh,
they're a couple. So we're not going to do that because they'll think other things.
Yeah. It works well though, doesn't it, this drop-off system?
Yeah, yeah.
Really good.
Yeah, now seeing it in motion, you can see it really does.
Yeah, and it does keep everybody together. Go on then, get in. All right turn, I think. You okay, Will?
Yeah, yeah.
Doing a right, mate, up here, so just be careful.
Yeah, we'll see what's right.
I'll tell you what, them on a GS, it's not having trouble keeping up, is it?
No. Okay, now it looks mint from back here.
I know, all the bikes.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that quick shifter. Let's watch this bend, there's a car coming the other way.
Yeah. Is this a turn or is this just a bend?
It's a turn. Oh, he's on it, look.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought he'd already done it.
Yeah.
The bad bend.
Yeah. Cambers up as well, doesn't it?
Mm.
It's not too bad actually. I realise when you see people walking dogs and they like look at you and give you that like scowly look, and they do it because they wish that they was sat on this bike riding.
Yep.
Well, that's what I think in my head anyway.
We were made for each other to hold on to. I was carved out of redwood beneath your moon. I was birthed in the mountains under the sun. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more.
Alright. Yeah, cool.
We are living the dream.
So you're letting me go as well? Good man.
Good, mate.
Oh, convoy. Loads of bikes.
Oh, thank God.
We'll have to do some filtering up here, Will. You alright?
Yeah.
I've got my flashes on to come round that bend and then
Oh no, yeah, just seen the traffic. You okay, Will?
Yeah, still behind that red one for them cyclists.
Yeah, this one's a real windy left-hander, this, that you're coming up to. I thought you were going to go up Winnett's Pass.
Well, it's one of the two. I always
This is better.
Winnett's I love, but I really love Mantor side.
Yeah.
So this loop, again, even before I turned right there, I'm like, is it Winnett's or is it Edale?
Yeah.
And I thought, no, Edale.
It's a nightmare getting up Winnett's though, especially on like bank holiday as well. I was waiting for that.
Yeah.
Even though I know what it sounds like, I just heard this. I'm like, oh shit! Hey! Oh, wicked! How cool is that? I've set Bill up there.
Yeah.
Might do that next time. Go out with Bill, come up that way, and come up there, because
Yeah.
look at that for a view. Oh, don't stop.
All them people on the hill.
I know. Bet it's windy up there today.
Yeah.
I'm going to go next to that blue thing, look, see it? I can see Billy. No, I can't.
You know?
I thought I could see him. Oh, he's there. Shelby's there and all.
Yeah.
There. Oh, hey!
Benny!
Oh, they've got this other car park here, Will. Right, YonderMann. YonderMann.
Put mine on the other side behind yours. Under the tree.
God, it could have walked down, couldn't it?
I know.
That one was just going to stand here and wait for him.